How to log out YouTube account on Android. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your YouTube application. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now at the top right corner, click on settings and go to account. Now tap on manage account. Now go to Google, tap on your account. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three dots and click on remove account. Again click on remove account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.